Hello friends, in this session we are going to discuss about the multiple alleles. Within a population, more than two alleles can be present for a single gene and these are called as the multiple alleles. In earlier session, we have studied about the monohybrid and dihybrid cross, and in that we have studied for a gene variant, a single dominant allele and a single recessive allele is present. Means for a gene variant, normally the two alleles are present. But in case of the multiple alleles, more than two alleles are present in a population or within a population. So let us take one example of the multiple allele. The famous example of the multiple allele is the ABO blood group system. This ABO blood groups are decided by ABO blood group system means within a human population, the four types of blood groups are present. First is A, second is B, third is AB and fourth is O. These four types of blood groups are decided by the two variants of the alleles. One is dominant allele and another is recessive allele. Dominant allele is called as I and recessive allele is called as the small I. Capital I has the two variants. This dominant allele has the two variants of the alleles within a population. One is IA and another is IB, right? But this recessive allele do not have any variant. So within a population, three types of alleles are observed for the ABO blood group system. This is IA, IB and small I. When IA and small I is present in the individual, the blood group of the individual can be A. When IA and IA is present in an individual, the blood group can also be considered as the A. But when IB and small I is present in an individual, the blood group of the person is B. Or when IB is present in an individual, the blood group can be considered as the B. AB blood group is decided by the genes IA and by the alleles IA and IB, or this can also be written as IB, IA. Blood group O is decided by the two recessive alleles. So when both the alleles are recessive, the blood group of the person is O. So how the AB and O blood group is decided by these variants of the dominant and recessive allele. This dominant allele IA is responsible for producing a carbohydrate in the membrane of the RBCs. This dominant allele IA produces A type of carbohydrate and dominant allele IB produces the B type of carbohydrate in the RBC's membrane. So if the A type of carbohydrate is present in the membrane of the RBC, this blood group will be the A blood group, and if the B type of carbohydrate is present in the RBC, the blood group will be the B. If both type of carbohydrates means A and B type of carbohydrates are present in the RBCs, then the blood group can be considered as the AB. And when A and B both are absent from the RBC's membrane, the blood group can be considered as the O. So when both the alleles are recessive, the blood group of the person is O because no type means A and B type of carbohydrates are not produced within the membrane of the RBCs. These carbohydrates A and B are also considered as the antigens. So if the A antigen is present, we can say that if the A antigen is present, the blood group is A, and if the B antigen is present, the blood group is B, and if both A and B are present, the blood group is AB. Right? And if both A and B antigens are absent, then the blood group can be considered as the O. If the blood group of the person is A, then the antigen A is present and the antibody produced by the person will be antibody produced by the person who is having the A blood group will be anti-B. As person has the A type of antigen on his RBCs, the person will not produce antibodies with its own antigens. As the person has the A type of antigens over their RBCs, person will never produce antibodies against A. So that person can produce the antibodies against the B. So anti-B antibodies can be observed in a person who has the blood group A. In the same way, if the person is having the B type of antigens on their RBCs, then that person will never produce antibodies against the B, but that person can produce the antibodies against anti-A. So anti-A antibodies are observed if the blood group is B. If the blood group is AB, then neither A nor B type of antibodies will be produced. So here the antibodies are not produced against A or B. So I have written here nil. Next, if the person is having the O blood group, then the antigen A and antigen B both are absent. So in this case, the antibodies produced are against both anti-A and anti-B antibodies are observed, right? So anti-A and anti-B both antibodies are observed in the person who is having the O blood group. So this is all about the antigen and antibodies, and these antigens are decided by the multiple alleles. So when more than 2 alleles are observed within a population, we call them as the multiple alleles.